Imagine having your own AI assistant that can answer questions, automate tasks, summarize information, and help you manage daily work. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will walk through the complete workflow to build a personal AI assistant using OpenClaw. From environment setup to language model integration and automation tools, you will learn how to create an assistant that works exactly the way you want. So, first step is to define the assistant's purpose. Before writing any code, the first step is defining what your AI assistant should do. It can perform roles like task management assistant, knowledge base assistant, coding assistant, research assistant, customer support assistant. Step number 2 is setting up development environment. Here you need to set up the development environment. This involves installing Python or Node.js, OpenClaw framework, required libraries and dependencies, access to a language model API. Number 3 is integrating a language model. Now OpenClaw allows you to integrate models that can understand natural language, generate responses and process information. The assistant uses these models to understand user queries, generate context-aware responses, perform reasoning tasks, analyze and summarize data. Step number 4 is to create workflow logic. Once the model is integrated, the next step is designing the assistant's workflow logic. Workflow logic determines how the assistant responds to different types of requests. For example, retrieve relevant data for user queries, analyze and summarize documents, trigger automation through APIs, execute tasks based on user commands. Step number 5 is to add tool integration. Here you integrate and interact with the tools like calendar systems, email platforms, knowledge databases, task management apps, external APIs. Step number 6 will be memory and context management. For a truly useful personal assistant, memory and context management are essential. OpenClaw enables assistants to maintain conversation history and contextual understanding. This means the assistant can remember previous interactions, provide personalized responses, maintain context in conversations, improve user experience over time. And finally, step 7 would be testing and optimization. Developers typically test response accuracy, workflow triggered functionality, integration performance, error handling, and stability. Building a personal AI assistant is no longer limited to large tech companies. By combining language models, workflow automation, and smart integrations, you can create a powerful AI assistant tailored to your own needs. So that's how you build your own AI assistant. Start automating your tasks, save time, and make your workflow smarter than ever. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Tell me what tasks you would want your AI assistant to handle first, and make sure to subscribe for more AI tips.